Hey guys, it's me, Sienna, and Zach again with another video. And today we're going to be showing you our house. Why are we going this way? We should go out the front door. So, we're going to be showing you my cousin's house.
So, my cousin's here, and my house is new because I've only stayed here for about 1 week and a week and 3 days or 2.5 days. 2.5 days. So it's kind of new.
Is there a peak hole? There's a peak hole.
What?
In the door. Okay, anyway. So we're currently at the front door. And then you turn around and this is what you see. So here you have like this
Cupboard.
a cupboard with towels and stuff.
And shoes are in here. I don't know how this happened. It's messed
And
up.
here is just like where our shoes
Fishies.
go. And then this is what you see when you walk in.
And there's another video that we made.
Here are some stairs.
This is
And
fish.
then there is this massive fish tank.
Oh, no.
Yeah, that fell in earlier.
Granny, check. It fell in. The plastic thing.
And then above there are a lot of pictures. Here is like a living area. It is currently a toy area.
There's 2 lounge rooms. This one, show them.
Which is also like a toy room for the kids.
Yeah, well, that part of the lounge room are toy
Yeah.
rooms.
And here's
Look
the
at that
TV.
little sister.
Okay, now
The second lounge room.
we walk up these stairs, and here's like a eating area, like a kitchen. Not a kitchen, like a dining room. Then over here we have like the shelves.
It's kind of new because we bought it. There's a new couch.
Yeah, there's a new couch, and here is a plate. It's made. Yeah. Now here is the kitchen.
Laundry.
And here's the other lounge room.
Yeah.
Here's the kitchen. It even has like a water filter. And then here's the laundry.
There's the auntie's bedroom.
There's the auntie's bedroom. Oh.
Yep.
So let's go. And here's also a shower and a
For
toilet.
the auntie, definitely.
So then when you walk out of the kitchen, there is another lounge room.
That's the second lounge room.
Now we can go in the bedroom.
Now over
Our bedroom, we
here,
need to open it. Sorry, we're gonna turn on the lights. So just stay for a second.
you ready?
Yeah.
Voila! A beautiful. Can you see the camera?
Yeah.
Pajamas.
A beautiful thing with pajamas and our little cousin. And then over here is a bathroom. Yeah. So, so then over here is like a study. Anyway, so when you walk past the TV,
Here is my little sister that you saw on the train, and this is it.
oh, it's such a nice day outside.
Just to say, we have 4 balconies.
Yes. And over here is Violet's bathroom,
Here's Violet's cot.
and here is our
This is our cousin's.
And there's a
Say hello, Charlotte, to the next video. We're doing next video.
That's it. Bye.